To conduct an empathy analysis, there is a process that is involved. In today's training, we're going to be looking into empathy analysis for sales. In other words, we are going to be looking into how to create an empathy analysis for your sales strategy. And this is what an empathy analysis looks like. And this empathy analysis was designed specifically for you sales people. But before we proceed with the analysis, it's important that you understand that to conduct an empathy analysis, you need to understand the problem first. And to do that, you must conduct interviews, okay? I have covered Lena's problems in a previous video, so go into the description box to understand better what Lena's problems are all about. But here is a highlight of what her problems are. For example, Lena does not know exactly what store to go to and what to buy. Her friend also cannot help her. Facebook is not helping. Lena was not happy with her help from the employee, and lastly, prices scared her off. So, to conduct an empathy analysis, there is a process that is involved, okay? And the first thing that you need to do, as mentioned previously, you need to first conduct interviews. After you conduct your interviews, you put it into a transcript, and from the transcript, then you use the empathy analysis to highlight certain areas to help you understand your prospect's needs better. The empathy map has actually 7 areas that needs to be filled in, and this is the first part. The first part is about describing who you are helping. You need to look into the person's characteristics, where they are living, who are they, how old are they, so just the basic things that makes the person, okay? And of course there are some sub questions that you can follow as well. So the first question reads as follow: who exactly is that person or persons that needs our help? So who are we talking to? You need to describe them. Where are they from? Where are they living? How old are they? What work they work at? How long do they work? You know, all these little things are important to place in this particular area, because it's going to help you understand the person that you're dealing with and why they possibly cannot solve that problem. And this particular information that you will also gather here will also help you with your future strategies to help you communicate with that person on a level that is very intimate, or on a level that they can relate to because you already know them, okay? So for example, the person that I'm trying to conduct this empathy analysis for, her name is Lena. She was born in St. Martin. She works at WIB, or Windward Island Bank. She's the new HR manager. Basically, she was promoted. And of course, she is a mother of 2. Now, for the second part of the empathy analysis, it's all about what jobs do they need to get done. In other words, what problems they need solving. As well, this particular question also have some sub questions, such as what must they do differently? In other words, what can they do to amend their situation? What can they do to help themselves? You know, what are the alternatives out there, or alternative solutions out there that they can, use in order to help them solve their particular problem? So for example, Lena needs to find a store. She needs to find new formal work clothing. She wants to have better customer service, as well as find affordable prices for the new clothing that she is looking for. So the objective for you as a salesperson is to find Lena new professional clothing. That's basically what you need to do. And in addition to that, you also have to improve your customer service, create prices that will attract Lena, and so on, okay? So but the ultimate objective is to help her find professional clothing. And then we have square 3, and it's all about what do they see happening in the marketplace. So what do Lena and others like herself see happening in the marketplace? For example, Lena see people going on YouTube to find out dressing tips. She also realized that there are sales offers online, as well as sales offers in local stores. And she also found it difficult to find a store in her country because she has a different taste for dressing, and what she's looking for, she can't find it easily, so she has a difficult time finding stores that provide her actual needs. And of course, buying clothes online is something that people do here as well. And the prices, of course, are also high, and her friends have challenges finding stores as well. And lastly, no local online stores are available, so there is no online platforms or online website that helps sell clothes on the islands. So when they are buying clothes here, they would go on Amazon and eBay, other from America, and ship it in here to St. Martin. Number 4 is all about what do they say. For example, in Lena's case, Lena would say she wants an affordable clothing with quality. She wants something that is good with quality that will last long, nice style. And she would also hope that there is a different style of clothing, because the clothing style that are mostly here on the Dutch side of St. Martin are more like American type of clothing. They are big, baggy, but they want to have much more like a European style. The French, the Dutch, so they want to dress more like the European style dressing. So they want something new. And the prices are too much for one shirt. One shirt can cost $280, for example. She don't want to pay so much for just one shirt. She would probably want to get something more out of it. And lastly, there is a need for better customer service. Box number 5, it's all about what have they done. For example, Lena expressed unhappiness when talking about customer service. She didn't like it. She went to the city, she bought toiletries and went back home because she couldn't find a store. She asked some people in the city for information about the particular stores, but she wasn't getting enough help. And lastly, she walked around the city to find a suitable clothing store, and she didn't get through, so she go back home with her toiletries. And then we have number 6. It's all about what have they heard. What have they heard their friends saying? What have they heard from their colleagues? What second-hand information have they heard about? So, right, for example, in Lena's case, she probably heard, they can order on eBay. People complain about the prices, others complaining about the lack of quality clothing, friends complaining about the lack of customer service. There is a trend happening there. There is a trend that is going on there, right? So you gotta try to pick up on that trend, because it's gonna help you to analyze and realize that, hey, this is a problem that actually needs to be solved. Okay, there's something here that needs to be worked. If everybody is having this same particular problem, there is a market for it, for example. Okay, so for number 7, we're gonna identify Lena's pain and gain. And for example, Lena is frustrated about not finding the right stores. She's struggling with bad customer service. She fears of not being able to find the right clothing. She has fear of not being able to find the right prices. And her gain, of course, she needs new professional clothing. She needs to find stores easier. She needs professional stylists and help. And last but not least, she needs better customer service and prices. So these are the things that she would need to help make her feel better concerning her challenges. Alright, so this is basically what an empathy analysis looks like after you got all of this information. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying and liking this particular video, let's hit 1 million views so that I'm able to prepare better video qualities for you. Alright, so please hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, because there are many people out there who are interested in learning about business and sales. Alright, for the next class, after you conduct an empathy analysis, we are going to be looking into persona for sales. We're going to create specific personas for your sales strategy. Watch this next video so that you can learn how to create a very specific persona for your sales strategies. Don't miss the video. Click on it now.